So welcome back to my kitchen. I've been thinking it's been a while since I did a tutorial on some cooking. So I decided today, and only not just because today or because it's been a while, but I've been watching this peach cobbler hack on YouTube. So I'm going to make a peach cobbler today. Yes, I am. Just follow along with me. It won't take long. Let's get right into Okay, so we're back, and I'm looking at this, but uh, I'm not so sure. I'm not so sure. I know it's supposed to be crumbly to some degree, but I'm not so sure. Let me see if we can get this square out of here. Okay, so I'm going to scoop this out and put it on my little snack tray. Let's see what it looks like. Then we turn it over. Yeah. Well, kind of looks like the real thing once it's out of the pan, but I don't know. It still looks a little crumbly on top, like it could have used a little more moisture. So, let's see. Let me get my trusty fork. And let's give it a little taste. Now it's a little hot because it just came out of the oven. All that cinnamon I put in there. Yeah. Actually, it tastes pretty good. Have some. Open wide. So, regardless of the way it looks, it tastes pretty darn good. So I'll have to give this a 8 out of 10 just for the look of it, really. I think it could have used a little bit more moisture. Yeah. Okay, so try this and let me know. Leave a comment. And yeah, share. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great Sunday, or whatever day you watch this. Have a great one. Bye.